So you guys, there is no intro for this video, but here's some pictures of my husband getting my vanity together. I hope you guys enjoy my vanity haul. Thanks.
I'm going to show you guys my vanity, how I have it decorated. Here is my Game of Thrones section. I don't have the highlighter palette, and because I just didn't want to pay for it. I'm probably never going to use this. I don't even like this palette, but we're big Game of Thrones fans here at my house. Here I have some palettes displayed. We're going to see what we have. We've got some Huda Smokies, the Huda Blue, the Huda Mauve, Urban Decay Naked Heat, Too Faced Peach, Too Faced Gingerbread, Too Faced Chocolate Gold, NARS, Natasha Denona Sunrise is here. The Smoke Stations palette, the Zulu, some more Too Faced Cover FX, Color Pop. This is one of my favorite palettes of the summer. This Sweet Talk by Color Pop. It's My Pleasure. We got a little bit of Pat. Over here we got some more Color Pop, some Juvias, some Butter London. I got that in BoxyCharm, but I really like it. We got some NARS Holiday 2018 edition, limited edition. Some Morphe. It's the only Morphe palette that I own. So I'm going to show you what's inside a couple of the drawers. This first drawer, this drawer is concealers and foundation. This is concealers, foundation, and we have loose setting powder, translucent powder. This one's skin colored. Laura Mercier, Fenty, Pretty Virgo, Pretty Vulgar, Too Faced. And these are compact powder. It's my Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Airbrush Finish. Love that one. It's Sephora. This is a switch between the colors. When you're doing your eyeshadow, you rub your brush on here to change the colors that you're using until you don't have residual. This is a Stila Shimmer and Glow that I got from TJ Maxx. Okay, in this next drawer, we have some bronzers. You know, we had the season of the bronzers earlier this year. So I got this Morphe bronzer. I got an Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer. This is my favorite bronzer, y'all. I mean, like, this is my favorite bronzer. This is my favorite bronzer. I'm just going to open it up so you can see. This is in the shade Mahogany. I have the Fenty bronzer and a mini. I got the mini duo. I really like it. I like this little purple beauty bronzer. Okay, you got a Tarte face palette. I got in a BoxyCharm, which I haven't used. I really like Tarte's blushes. I think those bronzers gonna be for my skin tone. Those are some highlighters. Those are some blushes. So I think I'm gonna use those blushes because I like Tarte blushes. And then we got an ABH cream contour palette down here that I got from TJ Maxx, which I really don't use cream contour as much. I like to use bronzers. Okay, so over here we got some blushes in this drawer. I got this Tarte blush, which happens to be one of my favorite blushes in the springtime, summertime, because of the color. It's one of my favorite blushes. We got two ABH, one in Pink Obsessions, one in Blush Trio Pool Party. I got these from TJ Maxx. I got some Milani blushes. This is a Shop Miss A blush. I got this blush palette here, Olimar from a BoxyCharm. It looks good, but I don't think I've dipped into it yet. Now my highlighters, I love highlight. There's nothing to top off a look better than a good highlight. We got the Artist Couture loose highlighter that I got in a boxy. Haven't used that. This is a Shop Miss A dupe for Trophy Wife. I tried to get into it. The Trophy Wife looks just not for me. My holy grail, my favorite highlighter. If y'all see me wear a highlighter lately, it has been this Marc Jacobs Guilty highlighter. Let's see if I can open this up and show it to you guys. It's perfect for people of my skin tone. It is Mega Glaze highlighter. I love this highlighter. It's just like so beautiful on the face. I paid good money for that. We got some highlighters, some Sunbeam Benefit highlighters that I got in boxes. This is a Fenty Cinema highlighter that I got with the Duo with the bronzer. This is a Daisy Pearl highlighter. We also have a Huda highlighter palette, 3D highlighter palette that I got in BoxyCharm. No, I think I had this one in Ipsy. I give BoxyCharm all the credit. This one came in Ipsy. It's really pretty. I haven't used it yet, but I think I'm going to use it today. Okay, I'm going to take this out. It's really pretty, and I do think I want to dip into this possibly today. Okay, so I don't have this all the way complete. I still have so much of stuff that I need to transfer over. Oh, I have these little makeup highlighters from Shop Miss A. So it's not, I don't have everything transferred over yet, but this is what I've got transferred over so far. I don't think I have anything else on this side. No, nothing else on this side. So we have some drawers over here. Okay, so what I have over here is some primers. We got the Tatcha Silk Canvas. I tried this primer. I don't really like it. I got it on the Ipsy small bag. It's the Ciate London Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. It's the new primer on the market. Of course, tried and true Smashbox Photo Finish. L'Oreal Infallible Matte Foundation. Sometimes I use this in combination with this. I'll use this one first and then lay this one on top of it. And then my newest baby, I've been wanting this thing for so long, but I didn't want to pay for it. Is a mini Versailles Skin Tune Blur. I've used this once. I can't wait to get into it more. We got some setting sprays over here. These are not all my setting sprays, but y'all remember when I was just so much about SPF? Well, you can also get a setting spray with SPF. This is a cooler setting spray. It's got 30 of SPF. It's not my favorite setting spray, but when we went on our cruise, I took it with us because I used the SPF in it too, like the moisturizer, and I used this one on top of my makeup to just make sure that I just had some extra protection. We got the Urban Decay All Nighter. Of course, we have the Too Faced. This Too Faced Hangover one is my favorite of all time. It's my favorite. I back it to these. Of course, I have the minis. We've got the matte one. I like to use the matte one sometimes in the summer. I like this Watermelon Recipe Glow Setting Spray. Everybody loves it because they say it's the Such a Fine Mist, but I do find like the Such a Fine Mist is kind of like no mist at all, so it's okay. This Wet n Wild is just okay. I use it sometimes when I'm not really going anywhere, not doing much, just trying to get used to my products. I just really want to try it out. Okay, so in this one, we have some lashes in here that I am currently using, in the process of reusing, that I've been reusing. I'm going to probably throw a couple pairs of these away. I just hadn't made it around. So these are some lashes that I have in rotation to Shop Miss A pair of Lash Box ones. And this is a pair of the Lash Stories from Sephora. And also in this, we've got some lash curlers, some tweezers, It Cosmetics Superheroes, the mascara that I'm currently using, some lash glue and Duo, and my small scissors, and my, I guess this is like a brow shaper that I use to do my brows. So I use these scissors also to cut my lashes when they're too long on the sides, and then if I feel like they're too long down here, I can go along there, and I use those. These small scissors came from Shop Miss A for my lashes. And then in here we have my brow pencil. We have a lip pencil in here I use. We got a lot of brow products. I use this on my brows, these for your lashes. I got my Stila liner in here that I use. I think I have the F eyeliner, my Stila liquid liner that I use. Brow balls. I got a ColourPop brow setting thing. I like this one the best. And then I also put my moisturizer in here. I didn't put this moisturizer in the refrigerator because I'm okay with it not coming out of the refrigerator. If I feel like I need to put a moisturizer in the refrigerator, I will. But right now, this is my favorite moisturizer for this summer. Okay, in this drawer we have lippies. Nothing but lippies. So we got a lot of Too Faced in here. We got some L'Oreal Infallible. From the chocolate line. We got some from the macaron line. We got some Too Faced. We got the, is this the gingerbread man? Yes, this is the, I'm trying to say this is the gingerbread man. I think this is gingerbread man because I ordered the gingerbread girl. Yeah, this is gingerbread man. I haven't used this yet, but maybe we'll do a try on. I ordered the gingerbread girl from Ulta, but it hadn't come here. It hadn't come yet. Well, Ulta was having that, was it buy one get one 50% off? And then I also had Jeffree Star Small Mini mystery unboxing, and I got the shades Medusa and Scandal. Most of these Too Faced though, these melted ones, came from TJ Maxx. Shop at TJ Maxx. You can find a lot of high-end products for cheap. This melted gold came from TJ Maxx, and then a lot of these also came in my boxes. Like this half baked came in a box. This thing I actually purchased full price from Ulta. So this bite I got on sale from Sephora. I love these mini bites. So this is just, had to get the MAC and Mary J. Blige. Love to support Mary. And I had a matte lipstick this shade, but it, I had it for too long. It expired, so I had to toss it out. We got some Ofra. Let me show you a couple of my favorite shades in here that I love the most. It's a small little, see if I can find it. This Bare Minerals. That's a tart. That's not it. It's a small little Bare Minerals one in here I like. And I actually am digging this Ofra shade right now. I love the pinkish nude shade. What I mean, here's the Bare Minerals one. I love this, the Bare Minerals. It's so moist. It's not a matte shade. It's moist, and it feels very good on your lips. So, to move on, I think I only have something else in this. I have just some wipes in this drawer. But in this last drawer, down here towards the bottom, I put some new brushes that I haven't used. But that I do have these. I got these at the Boxy pop-up for like minimum price. This is a Luxie brush. These So Faced the Rose Gold set. And then this is like the Luxie Dreamcatcher set, I think. And it retails $450. I got it from the Boxy pop-up sale for like 30 bucks. Which I haven't dipped into these, but I have these. So I really hope you guys enjoyed my vanity tour. I do have some more stuff to add. I'm not completely done with it, but I just want to show you guys what I had going on. You guys comment below, let me know how you like it. I appreciate it. Those are the beauty blenders from the holiday edition that were $65 in Sephora. I actually got them from QVC for $45. So like I said, comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you have in your vanity. Let me know what's your favorite summer palette. What's been your favorite palette for the summer? What's been your favorite moisturizer from the summer? Let's just start a conversation. All right, I'll be back later.